cruise. Talk to you later. Time for the next one. Big thaw last night, but it's supposed to be freezing rain and 20 centimeters of snow later, so trying to get this done before we go away. And this is what I'm looking at. Ice, 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 ice. This is how much I've chipped away. And this is how much I gotta go. That much. About 12 feet. Oh, this is super exhausting. I'll be so glad when I'm shoveling white sand on a beach and not ice in the middle of a sidewalk in southern Ontario waiting for the next snowstorm to come. Oh well, who could complain? We're going on a cruise on Saturday. Fingers crossed. You ready?
No.
Elsa here. We are at the Delta Hotel Toronto on the Airport Road on Dixon Road in Toronto. We got here about, what time did we get here? 2:30? 3, yeah, before 3 anyway. We tried to beat the weather. It was supposed to be a really bad day here today. It rained all yesterday. I showed you a video earlier of digging out these ice on the sidewalk, and then it rained on the way here. And now, if you look outside, it's just all pure snow, and the roads are really crap. So, we're glad we came when we did, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, so we're just settling in. We're having a nice glass of wine. I'd show you the room. Well, I'll show you the room quick. It's just basically a very similar room to what we had before when we stayed here in November. Just on the opposite corner of the hotel. They didn't put us in this room at first. They put us in a queen room, and then I asked for an upgrade. Of course, why wouldn't I? I don't do that very often, do I?
They forgot who we were.
They forgot who we were. that sort. There's some nice wineries down in Niagara, and we do enjoy their wines, and we've brought a bottle to the room. We're going to go tempt the fates and go outside and try to slip and fall on the road and not be able to travel tomorrow. So we're just going to stay in the hotel and go down to the, like a pub. It's nice, like a bistro pub. It's very casual. We were there last time, and it was actually quite a nice dinner. So we're going to try that again and enjoy our wine. And a little cheers.
Cheers.
And hopefully tomorrow we'll be in Fort Lauderdale, all being well, and there's no flight delays. We're expecting maybe there might be a flight delay, but that's why you always travel the day before, right? Right. And Phil C here saying goodbye, and Jane.
Happy cruising.
Happy cruising. Room 1439 on the 14th floor of the Westin Beach Resort in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And we just arrived. It's located. And the doors open, so it's a nice breeze coming through from the ocean. In the closet, you got the safe. You put your bags on, coat hangers. And we've got nice lamps, me, 2 bottles of water, coffee maker, and space for luggage. And the bathroom is right in here. We'll go get to that in a minute. Along with a peek through to the bathroom, I guess. Over here is the thermostat. And this looks like a nicely fresh room. It doesn't look like it's been used very much. I guess it has been. Anyway, it looks like a nice room. And we got lights. And it looks like some plugs with maybe no USB. Oh, USB on this side right there. And drawers. Nice big king size bed. Decent sized TV. Fridge, empty. not for long. Nice bucket, just consider it. Nice drawers, both still wrapped in plastic. Nice workspace, telephone, more USBs down here. Phone, more lights. And again, more lights. More USBs on the clock radio with some outlets. Nice little table. Nice little couch. And a Peloton bike. I was told just to hang my clothes on it because I probably won't use it. That was from the manager. Beautiful though. If you want to get into any fitness without going to the gym, what a great view. Looking out the window here. Princess ship waiting for us out there. Looking down to the pool. South Tower. Beautiful day in Fort Lauderdale. Very busy. Apparently it's President's Day weekend. Which I'm not aware of being Canadian, but it seems a lot busier than it usually has at this time of year because it's not spring break yet. The water must be good though because there are people in the ocean. Anyway, let's close that door. And it's a lot quieter as you can tell. There's drapes. Good view of the room here. Pretty nice. Very nice and clean. And let's have a look at the bathroom. And this will be the bathroom. Sliding door. Me again. Yeah, close that door. So you can't see. Oh, you can't see down. You actually push that door open. It's quite the gap there too. Quite the big gap. And then you got this gap. That's a really big gap. But hopefully you're rooming with somebody you know. And nice sink. Towels underneath. Nice light. Get some body lotion right there. A couple of glasses. Soap. And oh, nice shower enclosure. Nicely tiled. Very clean. Grab bars. Rain head or a waterfall rain shower. What do you call that? Rain shower. Water. I don't know what it's called. I forget. And a wand to use for the shower. And then we've got some Molten Brown of London conditioner, shampoo, and bath and shower. That's nice. They got into the dispensers. It's less waste. I like that. Rain, fall. Oh, I'll get it eventually. Anyway, overall, very nice room. The manager on the front desk, she recognized us from being here a couple of years back and multiple times before that. Her name's Iris. She's a very special person, treated us very nicely and gave us this room. And you see in the background there, we've got a view of the ocean and one of the princess ships, which is quite nice. And the room is nice. It's very bright and airy, and we've got a full ocean view, so no complaints here. Tomorrow is cruise day, and I'll give you some info on that another time. Have a good day from the Westin Fort Lauderdale beach. Elsa saying, take care. Honey, they got a bike here for you, because it ain't for me.